Your head, Mike.
All right, this is the one 17Z. It's called the High 23.2 RBW. The 21 RD.
This doesn't have it.
It is 212 QBW, means Western. Oh, this is a 30 RD. Okay, and it's 43,000.
Looking at Mike.
Okay, this is the 154 bunkhouse, 2465. 1995. The Zadell. I don't know, how do you pronounce this thing? This is a 2375 Lance. Is this Lance? Okay, here's another one. This is a 2465 Lance. Double wheels. This is a 2160 Forest River EVO. Okay, Forest River EVO 23.6, 23 feet inside dimensions. So this is a 21 front bed, which is the same thing as a rear back. This is made by Mesa Ridge 171. This is like our 175 RD. And they're asking 14.9, which is decent. This is a 25 BBS. This is nice. Just one sitting. 24 IORL. Rear living room, I suppose. 3 steps up. This is the Flagstaff. A 25 front BL, front bedroom. Who builds it? This is a 212 ORB. These are very cute. This is a 16.9. This is a 212 QB. Honey, 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 this turns me on. The 212 QB by Jacob. Now look down there. There's your couch, there's your table, your stove, your bathroom, refrigerator, your cabinets. Big old bed, nice and open, nice and area. 2 windows with side ventilation. You can put a TV back there. You got a TV up there. You got these huge windows back there. It just lets all kinds of air in. It's about, I don't know, $8,000 cheaper than the other ones.